What's going on, folks, man? It's your boy Money Mac coming back to you again from the set. Man. Episode 2, straight to the toe or gotta go. Today, man, we're going to take a look at some more sneakers for the month of November. I know, we already did some, but hey, we was missing a lot of smoke in that one, man. We was missing a lot of smoke. So we got 6 bangers for you today, man. Well, we gonna rate them straight for the toe or gotta go. But I'm gonna just let you know off the top. These right here, these 6 sneakers that I'm about to show you, man. I pray for your wallets and I pray for my pockets too. Because let's just get into it, man. Let's go ahead and get at it, bro. Starting off with number 1, man, we got the Air Jordan 5 in the Midnight Navy colorway. Yep, Midnight Navy, man. If I had to rank the shoes that I'm about to show you, this would probably be the last one. It's not a bad sneaker, but when you're dealing with 6 sneakers, there's 6 in this episode 2 in the month of November. I'm talking about it's already the 6th of November. We talking about 6 more sneakers on top of the ones that I already showed you last week in episode 1 that are at least 200 to 225 a piece. So it's gonna have to be some strategery done in here. And these, I'm not going for these. Now, if I catch these later, they might get got. But as of right now, these are gotta go for me. They straight for the toe, but for me and what I need to do for the rest of the month of November, these gotta go to get out the way of things like this. Bruh, the tight boot Nike SB Dunk Lows. Straight to the toe. 100%. I've been trying to get these shoes early at a decent price for probably about a month now. Now that I see a whole bunch of other pairs out there already early, it may be some hope for your boy. So, Nature Boy Chuck over there, Nature Boy Chuck TV. Check him out. Hit his YouTube channel up. It'll be a link in the description, or it may even be up here. We gonna put those things together, man. So you need sneakers early. You need links. Check out links. You need the latest in sneaker news. Besides your boy here on the set, check out my brother, Nature Boy Chuck, over there at Nature Boy Chuck TV. I'm telling you, man, you will not be disappointed. Got one of the best live. I wouldn't even call it a sneaker show. He has one of the best live shows on YouTube where he provides sneaker news, things of the culture, sports. Man, he has an awesome sports section where he ties the wins and losses against teams and puts a pair of shoes to the losers of the. You just got to check it out. Again, it's Nature Boy Chuck TV. That's my little bro. This is not a paid promotion. That is my actual blood brother. Check him out. I'm going to link one of his videos at the end of this one so y'all can go check the channel out. And if you ain't done so, subscribe here, go over there and subscribe there. But if you already subscribed here and there, much appreciated. Now, back to these shoes. Man, look, listen. This is not going to be an easy pair of shoes to get. I'm telling you that right now. This is not going to be an easy pair of sneakers to get. Number 1, and the most important reason why, it's a Nike SB Dunk. Just gonna leave that there. It's a Nike SB Dunk. Add collab to that with Tight Boot, man, you're not getting these. You are not getting this shoe unless you take some means that somebody like Nature Boy Chuck or some of these other guys that get sneakers early. You're not getting these, man. Not without the grace of the sneaker gods and the grace of God. Yeah, you're not You're not getting these. That shoe was like an everyday wear, man, and it's a collab. It's SB, so you already know, man. It's straight to the toe, bro. We're gonna move to the next one because I don't want to crush y'all little spirits. But good luck when you try to get these on November 14th, man. As if they don't push them back. I hope they don't push them back. Okay, I gotta take back what I said. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. I gotta take back what I said. Okay, no, I don't. We waffling here. We flip-flopping here. So the midnight navies and these craft olive fours, I don't know, man. I don't know. I think I would much rather wear the midnight navy though. I love olive. Like I told you in episode 1, we were talking about the dusty olive dunk lows. I love the olive colorway, man. I love it. It's just one of those colors. But when it comes to the Jordan 4, I don't know how I feel about this shoe. I need to see it in hand. And even still, with the rest of the stuff that's coming out in the month of November, these are absolute not half for me. They straight for the toe, but I'm gonna just tell you, like, it's not it. It's not it. It's not at the moment. If I catch them on sale, absolutely gotta get them. But the way sneakers been going these days, you never know, because we got the Royal Reimagines and them joints is sitting. But then again, Nike did make a lot of sneakers too. So I hate to say the word sitting, I just say available, because that's what they are. If you want them, they out there. And if you want to get them online, some of these resellers, they probably, if you waited out another 2 weeks or so, you might be able to get them less than retail. Ain't what I paid for them, but I don't care, because I had them early. I rocked them early. We did a review here on the set. You can check that out if you ain't checked it out already. But we put them through their paces, man, and we still rocking them too. So, these are possible gotta go unless we catch them on sale. So on to the next. This is what I mean. This is absolutely what I mean right here when I say there's got to be some strategery done, because these Jordan 13s in a wheat colorway, man, that is a wintertime shoe. Yo, that screams winter. Yes, it has a lot of white, but that wheat colorway, man, you already know what we associate that with. Don't even need to be said. So this is what I mean when I say we got to do this some like strategery in the month of November, because Jordan Brand is going to keep just slapping us, because it's almost the end of the year and those slaps going to keep coming, bro. November, December, we got the Gratitudes coming out, or the DMPs, or whatever you want to call them, bro. These are straight for the toe, man. Straight for the toe. But again, we gotta do some strategery, man, so we can, hell, whatever. I don't know your pockets. I know mine, but I gotta do some strategery. I got a family, bro. We got a vacation coming up. We're gonna be overseas or on the sea or in the Dominican Republic and Turks, and gotta make sure you put your priorities in line. Family first, sneakers second. And these, I gotta have them. So let me know what y'all think down in the comment section. We're gonna get on to the next one. We're just gonna let that sit there for a while. And I'm gonna just go ahead and say it, man. This Jordan 5 Alma year is the best one, in my opinion, that they have done. This is the best variation of the Alma years that they have put out. The best one. I don't know what it is, but when I first seen the renders of this one, I was like, okay, we might have something. Then I seen the official photos, and I think this one came from Z Sneakerheads. Bruh, this one right here, yeah. Again, this is why I say we got to do some strategery in the month of November. These drop on November 22nd, right before Thanksgiving, bro. They already had the raffles. They already did all that. But again, I'm going to go through some other channels to try to get me a pair of these, man. Because I already know how it's going to be. And the resale is going to be nasty. So I don't even want to deal with that. I don't really do that, man. Unless I just really got to have a shoe. This one, I think I just really got to have. So I don't even need to ask that question. The hell, we going to do it anyway. Straight to the toe or got to go? For me, no, it's straight to the toe. Because I've been talking about it a bit too much already. This one right here, bro, I already know. This one going to slap. It's going to go straight to the toe. We're going to bring that one here on the sit. Struggle is real, man. I told y'all, man. These was 6 shoes that, like, yeah, for some people, all of them they gotta have. For me, it was most of them. You add that up for the ones that I say straight to the toe, bro. It's a lot of money, man. In 1 month, messing around with Jordan Brand, bro. It's all good though, bro. It's all good. That's why we love the culture, bro. Because you have to be able to make good decisions when it comes to these sneakers, man. Because the way sneakers are sitting these days, you never know, right? But you always want to not have that FOMO, man, because you think, oh, well, all the rest of them might just be, they've been available after release. All sneakers don't work like that. So I'm just saying, man. But these Air Jordan Fears, man, I'm so mad at myself because I missed the opportunity to get these like a month and a half ago, man. Yeah, my brother hit me up and I was like, I'd rather try for the Balvin 3s. Like, all right. And by the time I checked myself, they was already gone, bro. They was already gone. Somebody else had already got them, bro. So I'm mad at myself because I could have had this shoe already. I could have done a review on them already. Could have gave y'all an in-depth look, man, with the close-up, the on feet, and lace swaps, all of that stuff, man. But I missed out on that. It's all good. I'm going to still try for these anyway. November 25th, man. I think they like $225. So, dang. That was the one that got away. But all accounts, man, this one right here going to be a heater too. So, yeah, man, like I said, man, that's what we got, man, for the month of November, man. And December ain't no slouch either, bro. Like, they just going to keep coming and coming. It's the end of the year, and it goes all the way through January. And then February, we got All-Star, and then it just... You got to have some discernment, man. You really do got to have some discernment out here in these streets messing around with Jordan Brand, bro. Not to mention if you wear other brands. It's tough, man. But that's what we got, man. And our straight to the toe or gotta go episode 2, man. Good luck, man. I pray for y'all wallets. I pray for mine too. Along with praying for peace and something to eat. This is your boy, Money Bad, man. From the set, episode 2. And I'm gone, bruh.